Hello, we are so glad you decided to participate in this online just-in-time training opportunity. In a perfect world, we'd have you all together in person, but this will have to do for our current situation. If you're watching this video, you made it to the overview page. This online training has two modules, the first being lesson design, and the second, components of an effective lesson. Know that you can work through each module in whatever order you want, but you must complete the first module before moving on to the second. Each section in both the lesson design and components of an effective lesson have videos, resources, and a reflection, as well as a back button to go back to the overview. We've left open the discussions tabs as well as the modules tabs so that you can monitor your progress as you work through the modules. On with the overview. Everybody has a copy of the Harry Wong book, The First Days of School. It's a good book with lots of relevant strategies. It makes 3 major points, 2 of which were the focus in August. Effective teachers are good classroom managers and have positive expectations for students. This November training devotes all its time to the 3rd point, effective teachers design lessons for student mastery. Lesson design is all about how you plan and deliver content to students. How you plan and deliver content is typically an expression of your individual teaching style. As a new teacher, you get to develop that experientially. To help you develop your own teaching style and approach to lesson design, we want to talk about some of the major ideas circulating in the education world. This module will dig down into each of the approaches to lesson design, how you plan and deliver content. Again, it doesn't really matter what order you move through the 6 sections of the module. Just be sure to click into each one and complete the reflection.